So as you can see from the title and the thumbnail of this video, I'm pretty sure you already know what this video is about. But just a quick update. That last video I made was quite a few months ago, so we have great news. We actually finally got our house, and you know what that means. I finally have my own garage to work in. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick little update. Finally in our own house, finally got our own garage, and I finally have a space. But as for today's video, we are going to be installing this LowGlow kit. I've actually had my hands on this for like quite a bit of time now, probably like a few months, 3 or 4 months. I've been wanting to install it, but first I got the car wrapped, and then I got the front splitter, the side skirts, and the other things put on. I was waiting to get the side skirts on mainly so that I can stick this to the side skirts and it'll be a lot easier. But let's go ahead and open this, see what's everything that's in here. I want to start with the wiring, because the wiring is going to be the hardest part. So let's get this open, get everything together, and start working on everything. Let's go ahead and open this up. Get everything sorted and ready. I got the wires and connectors for every RGB cable. This is, there's a fuse, and I believe this is what connects to the battery. I have no idea where this fuse goes. So, we're gonna have to open up the hood and get through the firewall so we can put this on and off switch in there. Oh, I believe the fuse just goes in here. It looks like there's fuse goes in here. This is an extra fuse, I guess. Okay, that makes sense. Alright, so yeah, this is everything for the battery and the power of getting this to work, basically. And this thing right here is what makes the magic happen. This is the module that connects to the Bluetooth, so it can connect to your phone and you can change all the colors, program everything that you want the lights to do. This is what makes the LowGlow so much better, because it has like a sequential kind of like RGB going on in it. Then we got the front RGB panels right here. If you have a BRZ or a GR86, this is the rear dimensions you would need, the side dimensions that you would need, and the front dimensions that you would need. And then at the bottom they give you a bunch of little goodies. Oh, these also help you stick things underneath. It's like your wheel well and stuff to keep wires from getting tangled. But they give you a bunch of goodies in here too, which is really cool. Got a LowGlow sticker. Probably gonna put this on like my rear windshield. I'm gonna put all the brands and companies that I have on my car so far on my rear windshield. This will probably be going on there. It's a bunch of cool stickers. Alright, so let's get everything that we don't need. So we're going to put this back in the box for now. And we're going to start working on putting all of this together and putting it into the car. So right here we have all of the instructions on how they want us to install this. And they give us a quick little diagram right here, if I can focus, of how everything's gonna work. So basically we're gonna get all of this ready, get it inside of onto the battery, into the engine bay, and then after that it's pretty easy. It's just the connectors go to the fronts connect to the sides connect to the rear, and so on. It's gonna be super easy after that, so I wanna get all of the wiring done first, which is gonna be the hardest, and then everything else is gonna be smooth sailing. visual of what I did. I took these little square tabs, I put the zip tie through the controller here onto here, and then did the same thing on the other side. And I put the 3M tape that I had on the back of this, and it's stuck on there. It's not going anywhere. Alright, so for the front connector that's going to connect to the front LED strips, I have it routed from here, from the power box, around the fuse box right here. But I zip tied it right there to keep it from like touching anything that's not supposed to in here, and just from like dangling around. I also zip tied it right there, and then I had it fall through the tiniest little hole right there underneath the car, and then I have it all underneath the car right here, ready to go whenever we put the strips on the bumper. And the last thing to do is the firewall plug. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably gonna be the hardest part to do, or at least film, because this is the smallest little hole that I have to get into, but I'm gonna figure it out right now. So that took a little bit of time, but I got it to go through from the firewall, got it through the car. It's zip tied right here. I gotta cut these zip ties. I have it also zip tied to rest of the car going over there towards the end of the kit. So we got the entire hardest part of wiring everything done. Now we just gotta stick the LEDs underneath the car and get that all hooked up, and we're basically done. Got our microfiber cloth right there, our spray, our strips. This cord, we're gonna start cleaning underneath right here and stick them on. Also, there's something you really want to pay attention to and be careful of whenever you're doing this, if you're installing this for yourself at home. But it has these arrows on the strips that tell you these have to be in a specific way on the car, and there's little arrows on the strip. All the arrows need to be facing that way towards the back. There's going to be one that connects into a splitter, and this is going to be for the front of the car. Kind of just routed it through the front right here, put it through this right here, zip tied it right here to the brake line. I crunched up most of the excess, zip tied it right here, continues down, got it zip tied to the side right here, put one of those square things, zip tied it here, and everything is now out of the way and perfect, good to go. so in theory, everything should be working. I have everything connected, everything safely put away, everything safely tucked. Everything is completely done. Here is the moment of truth. Holy shit, it works. But let me tell you right now, my initial impressions is you have to see this in person, because this looks nothing like the videos or the Instagram videos or the YouTube videos of LowGlow. Like, this is a whole different experience in person. It looks 10 times fucking better. It's fucking nuts, actually. The back is kind of weird, I'm not gonna lie, because it's high above the ground, so it kind of just like illuminates light in a way, instead of like having a trail like the other ends. But with one solid color, it shouldn't look too bad. I don't know, I might end up just taking off the rears and just leaving the rest, because the rest looks super cool as it is anyways. We're actually gonna download this app. There it is, the Magic LED app. There's so many different shades of purple I can choose. That looks so fucking sick. Oh my god. Just a ricer out here living his fucking rice dreams, bro. I took it out to a spot, like a more secluded spot that I usually take my car to after I do shit to it. Guys, I'm telling you, if you want Underglow on your car, do not go to Amazon and buy the cheap shit. Get this kit, because this is the best Underglow I've ever seen. My expectations are beyond blown with this shit. It's literally still daytime outside. But yeah, if you guys are considering getting an Underglow kit, go with LowGlow. Their Instagram's right here, website's right here. They have a YouTube. And it's kind of hard to get sometimes because they'll sell out and they do it by drops. But this is going to be the best LowGlow Underglow kit that you can buy. So I strongly recommend get this kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me installing the LowGlow kit. I have been waiting entirely too long to finally install this thing because of not having a garage, needing to get the car rewrapped, which also I have a story time. I know I never made a video or revealed why when the car got wrapped. It was a whole mess. It was a whole thing, and I'll make a video about it. Like